This is HX Outdoors Vulcan. Titanium handle, D2 steel. Stowed away is 4.4 inches. Overall length is 7.6. It's a 3.1 inch blade, 3.5 millimeters thick. Love the blue jewel accents. Pocket clip. It's a liner lock. Also has a finger hole. Very fidgety. Came in this neat little case. They also sent a patch. Love their slogan, everyone deserves an exceptional knife. Microfiber cloth. Thought this was cool. Nice little knife cutout. Some of their info. I'll put the link to get yours down below. Also, my discount code STICKS for additional 10% off. That will the pierces. Let's see how will it retain that edge. Just beautiful. Feels good in the hand. Very fidgety.